Hey everybody, it's Lori with the Produce Moms. Welcome back to my home kitchen. And hey, for all the moms and dads out there, welcome back to school, right? It is a chaotic time of year here in my home. Both of my boys are on their school football team. We're back to school. We had really enjoyed our summer break from just like the homework, the schedule, the early morning alarms. We had a glorious summer. It came to a screeching halt the minute those boys went back to school. And I'll tell you what, it's a lot of pressure on us moms to figure out how to get, those healthy meals going. And frankly, we just need help. We need the shortcuts. And that's what today's episode here is all about. Our great brand partners at Market Wagon, I think you guys are probably familiar with them if you're following along with all that we do. Think of Market Wagon as this amazing online farmers market that is delivering local food right to your doorstep. So I am a huge fan of the service that they offer. We use it often in our home. They deliver, I think, twice a week to my neighborhood. So we've just really enjoyed having that service and access. So thank you to everyone at Market Wagon for your hard work, and most importantly, my goodness, what a great way to empower the local food economy. So I can shop from local farmers, I can shop from local artisans, and the platform on marketwagon.com has been so amazing for me as I've tried to figure out how am I going to get healthy, quick meals into our home kitchen now that life just seems to be so much more chaotic with back to school. So today's episode is all about that. I loaded up my Market Wagon online cart with all of their meal solutions, and these are amazing. So let's show you. I've already unpacked one tote, and then we'll unpack this one here in a minute, but these are just some examples. So this is a shepherd pie. Everything arrives, usually most of the stuff that I bought arrives frozen, so you can keep it in your freezer or you can thaw it, and it has the really simple, easy to understand instructions on how to reheat, how good the product is once you do thaw it. So I've got shepherd's pie, I've got some soups here. One of my favorite things, the curry chicken salad. That's more for me, let's be honest. This right here is this is gonna be our family's meal tonight, and I'm actually gonna show you how simple it is to pack this up. So this is a local artisan cheese-filled manicotti. These are great meatballs with minimal ingredients, and these are fully cooked, so it's just like a reheat. And I got some of their amazing marinara sauce that we're gonna add to that. A couple other things too, like maybe you don't need the actual just heat and serve meal. Maybe you just need like a meal starter. Well, they sell some really great seasoning kits these are called dash dinners, and these are just, so for this ramen, just items that you more than likely already have. And here is all your seasonings and other ingredients really from the pantry that you might not have on hand as a regular item. So super easy. Let's unbox this tote. There's gonna be some breakfast stuff in here. All right, so some gorgeous eggs. I always get the local eggs from Market Wagon. My children are gonna love this. Heat and serve biscuits and gravy. So this is a local artisan Rooster's Kitchen, fresh made biscuits, homemade gravy. I love it because it's a heat and serve. And the boys will wake up, I will have a fresh biscuits and gravy breakfast for them in 5 minutes time, thanks to this. So I also love, they have so many options that if you want to shop by lifestyle, if you're trying to abide by low carb or paleo, there's so many options for you. So this is a wild crab and sweet corn chowder. That's a paleo recipe. This is butter chicken curry, yum. Just add rice. Everything that you need is in this. So thaw it out, just heat it up, pour it over rice. Oh, this is another one of our favorites. This is a wild rice and chicken bake. So if I can open it up here, we'll show you how it's packaged. So this is one that says first direction, always bake from thawed. So we'll thaw that out. Still a little frozen, thaw it out, and that'll be dinner one night. It's perfect. So truly, there's so much to discover at marketwagon.com, and they have these wonderful meal bundles that you can get. They have the ready to heat, just warm them up meals. They have things like these little seasoning packets that can just be like meal starters. You're gonna love it. This is a great platform. We love working with them, and my family and I love the service. So thank you for helping me, Market Wagon. But everyone enjoy, and let us know if you have any questions. Let us know what you're putting in your Market Wagon basket this week. Take care.